Hello friends, how are you all? I feel everybody is fine and good. It happens that sometimes we are required to park our car for a long period in one place, and in these situations it arises that we are required to take certain care of our car so as to avoid it from certain problems which may face after trying to start it or trying to use it after a certain period. So I would like to share some of the tips with you in this regard. My first tip would be, or advice would be, that we better park our car in a shaded area. That would help the car in protecting itself from direct sunlight and also from the rain. This protects the car paint and also from getting it from rust. My second advice would be that if you have got a body cover, you also use it. In addition to that, if you have got a sunscreen, you also use it on the windshields and also the side window glasses. That would help the inner upholstery of the car from getting damaged from the sunlight. My third tip would be that it is with regard to the wipers are concerned. Because of the long standing of the vehicle in one area, the wipers get pressed, the wiper blades get pressed, you can see. Hence, to avoid that, what we can do is we can lift the wiper. What I have done here, you can directly lift the wiper entirely upwards, or you can use this type of small wood or any part so as to see that the wiper blade doesn't touch the glass here directly. See, as you can see here, how what I have done is I have tried to keep a small wood piece here, because of which the wiper blades are not pressing the glass, and hence that would save the life of the wipers for a long time. I have done the very same thing there. If you don't have a piece of wood, what you can do is you can directly pull this wiper up and keep this in this position. This will also do the job. But if you lift these wipers in this position, you cannot put a body cover on this, and it would also be a hurdle, because if you are parking your car somewhere outside, people would just try to pull it or just try to damage this. Hence, instead of keeping it completely upwards, you can just put some piece of wood here and just try to lift it up, that is this away from the windshield. My fourth tip would be in regard to using of the gear knob instead of a brake lever. I'll just go inside the car. Now we are inside the car. What generally happens is when we park our car, we use the gear knob, putting the car into gear, and we also try to use the handbrakes. But that would be a good decision only when we are parking a car for the small period of time. But when you are parking the car for 15 days, 1 month or more than that, it is better that we don't use the handbrakes and we use only the gear lever, because if we try to use the handbrakes, the brakes would get jammed, and that would cause a problem when we try to use the car afterwards. Hence, it is better that we only use a gear knob here. For additional safety, if we feel that the car is on a floor which is a little bit slopy, what you can do is you can just use a stone here on the back side. What I have put here, because I have got a slope on the back side, I'll just put a stone here. If you have got a slope towards front side, you can put the stone on here front side. That would suffice, or it would give you an additional safety in regard to your car. Now coming to the fifth point, what you can do is you should remove all the food items that are present in your car from the glove box area, from the back seats, everywhere, from inside the cabin, and keep it clean. That would stop the rats and other insects from entering into the car, which would again the rats enter again, that would damage the car fabrics, wires, etc. Then coming to the sixth point, this with regard to the battery terminal. I'll just open the boot. Now coming to the battery connection is concerned, what you have to do is you have to just remove the negative terminal of the battery. It's very easy to do this job. First, the battery terminal would be like this, normal position. What you have to do is you have to just remove this nut here by using a spanner. You have to just loosen it. If you just loosen this nut, this also get loosened. Just pull it up, it will come outside. You need not remove the positive terminal, but however, since I wanted additional safety, I just removed it, and also I wanted to do some other job on the battery, so it was removed. Hence, by this you can also protect your battery's life, and once you are thinking of going outside, you can just connect both these terminals and the battery would be ready to use. My seventh tip would be that you close the side view mirror so as to protect it from getting damaged. See, if you have to keep this in this position, closed position, otherwise you may get this type of scratches. Hence, these are the few tips which I thought that would be helpful for everybody, so as to protect their car. For car is what I feel is it is one of the family member. So these are the few tips which I wanted to share with you, my friends. Thank you for watching my channel. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.